We're going to start with the third string with the index finger, and we're going to pluck it as a free stroke. When we pluck as a free stroke, we want our finger to revert back to the string we just plucked and not rest it on the adjacent string, which would be called a rest stroke. So let's play the third string with the index finger as a free stroke. Ready? Again. Now what we're going to do is rest the index finger back onto the third string after it's plucked. Ready? So what's happening is the index finger is plucking the string, and then we're moving it back to the third string and then resting it. You could start by keeping the finger rested before plucking to feel the string. So when you come back to rest to string stop, you will know that you've stopped the string. Also, if you listen closely, you'll hear that the string no longer resonates. Let's play it again. Index with the third string. String stop. Again. In most instances, a string stop is a rather quick approach. So when you play the string, you'll revert right back to the third string, for example, and make sure that it stops the string from resonating. Again, that would be one more time. Now let's move on to the second string with the middle finger. We'll play the second string. Rest. Again, so you can see, I'm going to adjust my hand positioning here. Middle, rest, middle, rest, middle, rest. If you're serious about developing your fingerstyle technique as efficiently as possible, you can download the full practice package for this workout by visiting our Patreon page at the link below.